This is David Marinac with ABC and StandUpHouses.net. When sourcing globally, it's absolutely critical, and all too many companies fail to do this, is to audit your factory's paperwork, not just their QS or their ISO standard or paperwork that they give you, but literally take the time to trace it to make sure that they didn't just carbon copy somebody else's, which happens a lot. To be able to have them, or even, excuse me, have a company like us that will go in or hire an independent agent or an independent inspection agency to go in there and audit those companies for you. When it comes to your product and you're shipping into retailers here in the U.S., they're not going to take kindly if something doesn't come into spec, or if your product doesn't protect or isn't protected, or your packaging doesn't protect your product, or whatever it may be. The point is that there's a lot of this that you need to understand when it comes to sourcing globally, in being able to do it properly. Having an agent, having somebody like us that can hold them accountable, visit the factory, go there in person, watch your product being run, whatever it may be, could be and is a game changer. So we're here to help. Let us know how we can help. Thanks.